بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
The Green Lane Masjid and Community Centre building was originally constructed as a public library and baths between 1893 and 1902. Today we have over 40 services and activities delivered from the mosque.
Our youth department has the largest Muslim Scouts group in the district. On a weekly basis we run a football club in association with the FA, a girls basketball club, canoeing, Thai boxing classes, youth clubs for boys and girls, and a regular summer program packed with activities.
We have 13 welfare services at GLM. Our food bank supports hundreds of families in partnership with local supermarkets, including Morrison's. We have a full-time cancer support worker in partnership with Macmillan, a mobile food kitchen in partnership with Greggs, free counselling services run by 5 qualified counsellors, a domestic violence caseworker supported by Islamic Relief, a funeral service managing over 60 funerals and burials per year, a monthly elders social and lunch, a free monthly joint pain clinic with a practicing Harley Street doctor, a weekly sisters coffee morning, an immigration surgery with the Home Office, a legal surgery with Aman solicitors, and we run regular job fairs and job clubs. In 2019, with the Home Office, we relocated a Syrian refugee family to the UK. With Mercy Mission UK, we now employ a refugee caseworker to help with more relocations. Our Zakat Hardship Fund distributes over £100,000 in the UK annually.
Our outreach team focuses on creating awareness on the basics of Islam. We have 2 annual conferences attended by thousands. We deliver 300 talks at Green Lane and over 150 nationally every year. Our podcasts and videos have millions of views with over 700,000 followers on Facebook and 150,000 subscribers on YouTube. We host regular school visits, intensive weekend courses, open days, and exhibitions. And our imams provide 15 hours of weekly Islamic counseling on site. We run workshops and seminars for over 12 university Islamic societies across the country, along with providing chaplaincy at the University of Birmingham.
Our education department runs 25 classes per week with over 140 students. Our online college teaches students worldwide. Budding Believers, our monthly children's weekend school, is attended by over 160 children. We have a madrasa, an online and on-site weekday supplementary school with over 500 children. Our summer school has over 350 children. We have a Quran memorization and Islamic sciences program, and more.
Today, our mosque religious services include 5 daily prayers with over 200 attendees, with roughly 3,000 people attending our weekly Friday sermons. During the month of Ramadan, we feed over 400 people on a daily basis and have thousands for evening prayers. Task Force GLM, our international humanitarian wing, has raised over £9 million in the past 8 years, supporting worldwide emergencies and refugees by providing homes and essential support. We've launched projects in the UK and in over 16 countries worldwide, including a bread project in Lebanon, an orphanage pairing widows with orphans, winter emergency food programs, and much more. Every year we deliver social campaigns. In 2019, we focused on an annual winter shelter for the homeless, a plastic-free Ramadan initiative, and an anti-knife crime campaign. Over the COVID pandemic in year 2020, hundreds of volunteers and our partners helped to deliver key projects, including a food delivery service for the vulnerable, a support helpline, a 7-day food bank, a plasma campaign with the NHS, a COVID funeral service, an NHS PPE and a million mask campaign, both with Loft 25. In 2021, we concentrated on a COVID vaccination centre, youth work and domestic violence. At GLMCC, we provide guidance and leadership by writing community joint statements, sharing best practice and issuing press releases. We feature in numerous articles, radio interviews and TV appearances. We host the largest outdoor Eid events in Europe with a congregation of 60,000 strong.
Through our work, we seek to share the importance of belief,
community, and respect,
and showcase the value of faith in practice.